Hey, this is Kalam. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram account less than 1 minute. So first, open your Instagram app, then click on profile icon. Again, click on menu. Now you need to click on account center. Now click on personal details. Now account ownership and control. Then deletion or deactivation. If you have a multiple account, you need to select which one you want to delete. I select this one. Then click on delete account. Then click on control continue. Then you can select anyone why you delete your account. Just click on continue. Just I need to click on continue again. Then type your Instagram password right now. So this is very easy. So now just click on continue. Oh, this is the final step when you click on delete account. Now your account will be deleted less than 1 or 2 minutes from Instagram server, and automatically you log out from here. So this is the method how you can delete your Instagram account less than 1 minute. So if you have found this video helpful for me, make sure like and subscribe to the channel. So you can take care. Bye.